guys and welcome back to Jyoti Jia Love. Now today's video is again about yet another subscription bag, but I want to tell you that according to my and Jia's situation, I am working right now from home, so I don't go out so much like in regular basis. I do go out sometimes, but that's very rare. So I don't use a lot of makeup. I use, but I don't purchase so much. So this bag is very useful to me because something which I use on a daily basis is lipstick. Now this bag, which is called like Lip Monthly bag, it's international one. It's from US and its price is like $12.95, but I have got my first bag for discount, 50% discount, and according to INR, if I'll calculate it, then it was somewhere around like 440-450 rupees. So this Lip Monthly bag always sends a small pouch or bag, and in it will contain 2 to 3 lip products, and one there will be non-lip product. So it can be basically related to hair, related to skin, except lips. That was my details related to Lip Monthly bag. Rest the details you will get in my description box. Please go and check out there. And now let's unbag my Lip Monthly bag for the month of July. First of all, I'm showing it to you from so long, and you can see it's wrapped in this golden paper. It's looking so blingy, and nowadays I'm all like into blingy things. Like my last DIY candle one more DIY will be uploaded, I think after 1 or 2 days. That will also be related something to bling and all. I'll open it. Talking about the packaging, it's like so well wrapped. You can see this package contains all the bubble wraps inside, and here comes our bag. There's very, I'm sorry, but there's very like a very mild smell is coming. I hope nothing is leaked. This is our July Lip Monthly bag, and it says Lip Monthly here with a lip sign. I think the design, print, color, everything is so summerish, and I liked it. It's very like cute one. See what's inside our bag. First I can see okay, it's written products, and every detail is given here, and here it says July 2016. I hope you can see. First which comes in my hand is Dirty Little Secret. Packaging is so cute, bobby print one. I love this packaging. And oh, it says DLS here. It stands for Dirty Little Secret, and just look at the packaging, it's so chic. And here even it's written Dirty Little Secret, and just look at this color. It's like plumish, and oh, so I think it's so moisturizing, and this is the color. You can see it doesn't has any smell, but the color, like I don't have this type of color, so yeah, I'm really very happy. This DLS lipstick is for $10. Okay, that was our first product. Second one is this Jello. Yes, so this is something which you can apply on your lips as well as on your cheeks, and what happens is the color changes according to your body temperature. Oh, and it says hangover here. So Jello shot, it seems like this, but I don't think it will be orange. I think it will for sure change the color. It has a orange tint. Let's see. I think it's turning into peach or something, if you can see, because to me it seems like peachish, but here in the camera, I don't know, maybe because of the lighting and all, it seems orange here. It has a sweet candy smell, like jelly smell in it. This is for like $24.95, guys. And then what is this? Says it's L'Oreal Parker Fango Mud Therapy. Okay, with sweet almond oil, avocado oil, green tea, antioxidant. Okay, so this is face pack to apply directly for. Okay, so this is face pack. This this is a face pack, like mud face pack, and as I told you, they will send one non-lip product. So yeah, this is the non-lip product here. It's totally sealed now, and this face pack is for like $10. I don't want to open the seal right now. I am sure this will be good for the skin, and I want one of you to try this. So I'll keep it so that I can like present this to you in my future giveaways. And now the last lip product, it says Manna Kadar Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Printing Gloss Stain. Okay, so lip stain, and it's for $24 again. Okay, and the shade is Lucky. I am thinking of something, but I will first like, can I ask you what can we call to this color? Can we call it a Kylie Lip Kit Coco K1? That I know it's not exactly like that. I know it's not totally matte, it's glossy, but look at this matching color. It's like pretty nudish, and the packaging, I will give a 10 on 10 to this package. Total retail value of this bag is $68.95, and I have paid like $7 for this. And the next main thing is, you know what, you just give me this, and I don't want the rest of the products. So that was all from my first purchase of Lip Monthly bag, and from my side I would like to give them a big yay. I loved all the products because I think they were out of this world. I am paying $7 for something which retails around $68. I would love to do that again and again. That was all for my today's video. If you find this video useful, or if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.